Now again, you can see that these 2 weeks, it wasn't exact. Okay, remember I said this is not an exact science, and we cannot necessarily expect that the marketplace is just going to move exactly to where we want. So let me go ahead, and what I'm doing is lining up the charts. I'm going to bring in the daily chart now. So now I've just got 2 charts. I've got the daily over here and the weekly over here. Now let me go ahead, I'm going to bring up my blue line again, just so we know where we are. Okay, so here's this week, here's this down week. Now look at what happens. Even on the daily bar, you can see price gets below and it pushes back up. Okay, remember, if price is not going down, where is it probably going to go? Up. Right? Remember that. Okay, I'm building on all of this. So if price stops going down, where's it going to go? Well, it's probably going to go up. Okay, if price stops going up, where's it going to go? Well, it's probably going to go down. Well, if price stops going down, where's it going to go? Well, it's probably going to go up. Stops going up, where's it going to go? Probably going to go down. Okay? So now look at this. We've got a couple of weeks here, right? And we can see that the daily is very volatile. I mean, this thing's whipping all over the place. But on the weekly, look at this. It just looks like the market isn't really going anywhere. So inside of these 2 weeks, we've got all of this activity. So where does the planning come into play? Let's go ahead and line up these weeks again. Right there. Okay, so we can see that this week here ends on this day. Okay, so this 1 week is this trading, where a market comes up and it comes down. Okay? As a trading tactic, the prior week, remember, if the market breaks through the low, what are we expecting? That the market is going to go lower. Where are we expecting it to go? Where did we have support? Right there. Why did we have support? Because the market closed there and then went higher. Why do we call it support? Because the market was too low. And if traders thought the market was too low once, they'll probably think it was too low again, just like they did right back here. So all of this is, we're starting to build a game plan. Okay, the market is going to move from support to resistance. That's what we're expecting. So anytime we see a big bar like this, especially on a weekly bar, I consider this to be support, this to be resistance, and that the market is going to want to move between them until, well, and again, this is going to sound so simple that it's stupid. It's going to move in between those until it doesn't want to anymore, and then we get the breakout. So how do we really apply this and get some trading tactics? Well, if we think that the market has the potential to move down, how do we tell? Well, look at this. When the market's moving up, look at all this momentum in here. Okay, you notice that all these bars are white. That means that the close is down here. Pardon me. The open is down here. The close is up here, which means these are up bars. Okay. We've got one down bar in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. So 2 weeks. Whoops, I don't know how that happened. 2 weeks, we have 10 up days, 1 down day. That's pretty bullish. But then look what happens. We have another down day. So let's take a look at these 2 days and gain some strategy. Okay, we don't really have a lot to tell because this down day here happened during this week. So there's not a lot to go on. But what we can do is wait for the 1 down day to finish. Okay, now what do we have? We have hindsight. Then what do we need? We need the probabilities. What does the probability say? Well, we know that if the market can't get through this level, or it can't get through this level inside of 24 hours, what's likely to happen? Well, if the market can get below here, more than likely it's going to come right down to here. Well, how do we know, or how can we tell while this day is trading that it's probably going to go down, or it has a possibility of going up? Let's go all the way down to a 60-minute bar. I'm going to have to speed this up just a little bit.